your Facebook, your goal. I just responded to your goal. I want to make sure you guys understand when you set a goal, there's two ways that people set a goal. There's one way of setting a goal, like I set a goal this past weekend of not cheating all weekend. That was a really big goal, and I failed because it wasn't very specific. What I should have made the goal on is I'm not going to have a cheat meal on Friday. That's the goal. That's it. But when you set a goal of I'm going to work out 7 days a week, I'm going to get my mind in the game, I'm going to drink more water, those are too many. So you need to start recognizing who you are, because if you're not working out 7 days a week and then your goal is to work out 7 days a week, well, it ain't gonna happen because it's just too big to go from one extreme to another. Make sense? So if you're not meeting your weekly goals every week, start recognizing what did you meet last week and add by one more for this week. Because when someone sets too many goals and then they're not met, eventually you're going to be like, well, I haven't worked out in 7 days. I haven't worked out in 7 days. I haven't worked out in 7 days. So what's the use? F it. I'm just going to do nothing. This is why the fitness industry or people all set these massive goals every January 1st, and by January 30th, no one's going to the gym anymore. So it's constantly the seesaw that needs to stop. Make sense? Awesome. So if last week you worked out 6 days a week and this week your goal is 7 days a week, then that should be your only goal. No adding on water and diet and this and that. Just add on one more thing. If you're already working out 6 days a week, but you're not drinking enough water or you're not following the meal plan, then your goal should be 6 days a week of working out, because that is already an accomplishment. And then your new goal should be follow the meal plan 1 day a week. Follow a meal plan for breakfast every single day. It's day 8 of Dirty 30. So every single exercise, I'm going to lose you guys. I'm telling you right now. This Instagram thing today is not working. So my phone's going to die and you're SOL. This is why you need to join the group. Okay, so it's day 8, Dirty 30. Every single exercise is going to be 30 reps. tomorrow for shoulders. It'll be 9:10. For those of you who I'm sending links via text. Okay? Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. And please make sure you eat healthy. Bye. If you have any questions, please post them in the group. Bye, girls.